In this video, we are going to create suspension component. Let's start. So we'll take a sketch command and we'll select the plane. Now we'll take a center point arc, we'll specify center point and we'll specify start point and end point of the arc. Now we'll specify the radius of arc, we'll take small dimension and we'll specify that to be 134 radius and do OK. Now we'll exit from the sketch. Now I need a plane that is perpendicular to the sketch, so I can draw two circles for cross section. Now select a top plane that is perpendicular to the sketches. We'll click sketch. We'll create two circles, 1 and 2. We'll specify the diameter of both the circles. So one circle have a 108 diameter, second circle having a diameter of 80. Now to define this circle, I'll make them properly coincide with the point of the arc and circle and exit. Now we are going to sweep this along this path. So we'll select the profile and we'll go to features and we'll take a sweep command. Here our profile is selected. Now we have to take a path and do OK. Next, I need to make one portion here. For that, I require a plane at 197 distance. We'll take a plane from reference geometry and we'll select this face. And I have to change the direction of plane to opposite side, so I'll click flip offset, that to be 197 and OK. We'll select this plane and sketch on it. Now I'll create one circle and specify the distance, that to be 124, and about the origin, that to be horizontal position, and we'll specify the diameter of circle, that is 84. Exit. Now I have to make an extrude of this sketch. We'll select the sketch, we'll go to extrude and we'll specify up to next and OK. Now I want to cut the material from the same face. We'll select a sketch, we'll make one more circle with respect of origin and I'll make that to be concentric with this. We'll use concentric constraint and we'll specify the diameter of circle, that is 44. Now we'll exit. Now here we'll make extrude cut again. Now here we'll use extrude cut command and we'll cut that material completely by using up to next option and do OK. So I can see that material has been removed completely. Now there I have to apply one fillet of radius 10. We'll go to fillet and we'll select this edge and specify the radius 10 and OK. Now I need to apply one more radius, that at intersection parts, so I'll take a cross-sectional view and do OK. I'll specify one more radius at internal edge here of 10 radius and OK. Now click on the section view back and come to normal view. Now I want to make one more feature here. We'll select this face and sketch on it. We'll specify one more circle and make sure this circle and this circle to be concentric in nature, and I need one more circle at the internal edge, so I'll use convert entity to project the sketch here. Now I'll specify the diameter of this circle, that is 120 and exit. Now we'll select this sketch and we'll make an extrude of the sketch. Now here the sketch is extruding downward direction, but I need to be upward direction, so I'll reverse the direction and specify that is total 8 I required and OK. Now I have to apply fillet to make it this completely round, so we'll go to the option fillet and we'll use here the option is called full round method fillet. After taking full round option, we'll specify one by one face in each boxes and we'll do OK. So that become completely round. Now whatever I have created, I need to make that another side. So what we can do, we can press first feature and press shift button and select last feature. So all the features will be selected together. Now I'm going to use mirror tool and will select a plane that is at center of the body and do OK. Now what happened? Sometime while doing mirror, the fillet features will be get filled. So it's better we skip the fillet features while doing mirror command. So I just delete this one by one fillet from here and will only solid features extrude, extrude cut and extrude. Now we'll again apply the features, fillet features. Now we will again apply the fillet features by selecting the faces and edges. Now we'll apply the fillet features at the remaining edges again. We'll select the edge fillet method and we'll select this fillet of radius 10 and I need to apply at internal edge also. We'll select the internal edge also and do OK. Now I have to apply full round fillet again at the lower face. We'll go to fillet and we'll specify full round fillet method. Select face 1, face 2 and face 3 and OK. So here what happened, by mistake I selected all the faces in single box. So this kind of mistakes we generally do. Let's clear it and select the face again one by one in the single boxes. 1, the face 2nd and face 3rd and do OK. So this is how we have created our suspension component. Let's see all the possible views that we can see for this model. So here we can see there's a front view, left view, top view and the isometric view. Let's make again into a single view. Let's apply some appearance on this. We'll take appearance and we can take different metal appearance from here. Let's take brass and OK.